Hello everybody, my name's Chris and welcome to Retro Ratchet. So in this video we're going to take a look at the Audi A4 2.4 V6. This is my own personal car. This is going to be video number 7 and today's content is going to be interior. So basically we want to see if we can get this car looking as good as new. And as you can see, it is fitted with a stunning blue leather interior. Now how many cars do you see with a leather interior like this? You either love it or hate it. Me personally, blue and blue I just think's excellent. But yeah, it does need a little bit of TLC, steering wheel, plastics. We're going to get these seats out, get the carpets properly cleaned up and hoovered, and then tell me at the end, what do you think? Has it been worth all the bother, or should I just left it as it was? Fingers crossed I actually make an improvement. So I hope you all enjoy it, and please remember to like and subscribe. Right, the last part in the Audi detailing video. So we're going to try and get these seats, the carpet and the dash area cleaned up, and also the glass. But seats are actually in pretty decent condition when you look at them. They haven't had a good clean in a while, I would imagine, when you look through them, but they're certainly not the worst that I've seen. So we'll get some leather cleaner on them and get them conditioned. We'll get all these plastics done. Steering wheel is the worst, you might not be able to make it. Yeah, see this here? All that kind of stuff. The same. See that? Lovely. You gotta put your fingers on that. So that's nice. We'll hopefully get into all that. Get into these air vents, get them cleaned out. I mean, yeah, it just needs a good deep clean. So all that kind of stuff in there. Yeah, that is not pleasant. So we'll have a wee look at that today. I'll try and record what I can. The carpets will probably get a good shampoo in the summer when it's a wee bit warmer and we can get them dry, but for now we'll just hoover them, maybe take these front seats out as well. And in terms of glass, the worst bit is this back window here. There's some marks on the inside, some kind of adhesive, and we'll get that sticker off there as well, and that'll improve that somewhat. Ready?
I'm good now.
Take 3 Dettol multi-purpose cleaning wipes. The APC and the leather cleaner, they seem to be leaving this a wee bit on the sticky side, so we will give these a go now and see if they work. Oh yeah, they actually seem to be taking this crap off a hell of a lot easier. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, and that's just after, 5 seconds. Right, so change of direction, third time lucky, we'll use we'll use these. I'll cut back in once it's clean. Dettol wipes are definitely your best for these. Check this out. We'll keep going, and that isn't even the wheel cleaning. We've got 3 of these down on the floor. So yeah, invest in some of these. Right, that's the driver's seat out. That was a bit more of a drama than I expected. You just have to disconnect it here and then try and manoeuvre it out with the sliders at the back. But yeah, the carpet's kind of filthy, so we'll get that hoovered up just now. Improve that a wee bit. Right, there we have it. That's a cleaned, hoovered carpet. Came out quite well there, just with some carpet cleaner and a stiff brush. So we'll get that seat back in now and we'll see what the passenger side's like. Right, and here's the passenger side with the seat removed. Pretty much the same as the other side. Bit of debris around there. Nothing much, no major damage or anything spilt. So we'll get that hoovered out and then get that seat back in. Right, so this side came up pretty well. Check that out. Looks like brand new, doesn't it? I guess when you use carpets from brand new, that's the effect you get. So well pleased with that. We'll get that seat back in and then move on to the dash. Right, here we have the finished dashboard. It is quite hard to make out in this light actually, but I think it's come up pretty good. I mean, to be fair, it looks like a new car. Yeah, you know, we've got a tiny bit of wear around there, but that's to be expected. It is nearly 30 years old. A wee bit wear and tear on that. I thought that was dirt at first, but it isn't. Just that plastic surface has deteriorated a little bit. The leather seats I've still to do, so I will do those next. I've just hoovered them. Mats I've done. You can check that out. What a beautiful colour though. I think that wood's come up really nice as well, just cleaning that up. Door trims as well. I'll obviously condition that leather when I get round to it. But yeah, done around instrument panel and the steering wheel. Yeah, that has come up like new. That was minging. So that probably is what I took the longest on. Check that out. Spotless now. Switch gear. They were really bad as well. Try to get a good view on those. So they've all been cleaned up, and there you go. That one there, you get a good view on that. Oh, there we go. That's better. Good view on that there. So yeah, it's come up really nice. That door trim as well. Right, let's have a wee go at sorting out these leather seats. So I've broke out the good old Glipton. I've always found this has been a great product in the past. So we'll give it a go on these seats. There is a bit of a dark tinge to them. I don't know if it is just dirt. It's very difficult to see. It probably is actually. Yeah, that is there. And the rest of them is kind of like that. So give it a go, see how we get on. Right, so let's have a wee look at these seats after they've been treated. I do have to admit, I'm not impressed with how well I've done on that. I think these probably need something a bit more serious than the products I was using. They don't look a massive amount different, to be fair. But yeah, I think they just need a better product than certainly I was using. But it was worth the effort to try and bring them up, I think.